The Tortoise and the Hare. Once upon a time, there was a hare named Harold. Harold was very fast, and he made sure that all the other forest creatures knew it. He had lots of fun running past skunks and leaping over squirrels. But most of all, Harold loved to race. "I'm the fastest animal in the whole forest," Harold told a group of critters. "I'm even faster than the wind. Not one of you could beat me in a race." The other animals were tired of hearing Harold brag, but they were all too polite to interrupt him. All except a tortoise named Tom, that is. "Hogwash," Tom cried. "You may be fast, but you can certainly be beaten in a race." Harold laughed. He couldn't believe that one of the slowest animals he'd ever met was saying this. "Not a single creature has ever beaten me in a race," Harold replied, "but you're welcome to try." "I accept your challenge," Tom said. "I'll race you." Harold laughed, and the other creatures started to snicker. It will be a piece of cake for Harold to beat a tortoise. "We'll race next Saturday," Harold said. "That should give you plenty of time to practice."
You're going to pause here, and on the next slide, you are going to summarize the beginning of this fable. Be sure to include who are the characters, what is the setting, and what is the problem.